Ko to, nung na-brief ako, nagulat ako na 4 years old na pala yung mga gamit doon. Since 2020 pa po yung mga kagamitan doon. So, we contacted the Air Force and others to help us remove. And in addition to what Yusek Romero said, there are over 1.5 million items still in Carmona and other warehouses. Laptops, books, furniture. So we're doing our best to get them out para hindi mag-deteriorate yung mga materyales, Your Honor. Thank you.
So may timeline po ba tayo para makuha na po itong...
Delivery or the non-delivery of the computers to the regions. No? And we are happy to update Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, that earlier this year, the Department of Education, as directed by our operations strand, directed our regional offices and our schools district offices to pull out all the goods procured and which remained in the warehouses of the third-party logistics supplier, yung Transpac po. So, if I'm not mistaken, almost more than 90% have been pulled out, with a minority remaining only in the Carmona warehouse of said logistics supplier. So all the items, the computers being a subject of the question, most of them have been pulled out and are now with the regional offices and our schools district offices rather, for distribution to the schools, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair.
Dagdag ko lang, Your Honor, na